Why does Elon Musk have a problem with Apple? Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on High Tech 10s. Elon Musk is one man who never shies away from speaking out, whether it be a multi-billion-dollar company or tweeting about Bitcoin. Musk has always seemed to have a problem with big companies. He earlier had a problem with Jeff Bezos and Blue Origin, and now Apple. In this video, we take a look at the drama between Elon Musk and Apple, and yes, it involves Tesla. We also have a crazy fact about Elon at the end, so stay tuned and watch as we unveil the drama. The drama between Apple and Elon Musk first surfaced when a Wall Street Journal reporter came out with a book about Tesla that included a wild claim: Elon Musk tried to replace Tim Cook as Apple's CEO. Now just imagine Elon Musk as the CEO of Apple. How does that sound? According to the book, back in 2016, Tesla was facing immense problems with mass producing its most affordable vehicle, the Model 3. Tim Cook, current CEO of Apple, reportedly suggested to Musk that Apple buy Tesla, at which point Musk lobbied to take over Cook's job. Cook is said to have angrily hung up the phone, but not before unleashing a few expletives. Both men have however denied that any conversation took place. Tim Cook denied he and Musk spoke. Musk made the point of saying they'd never spoken or written to each other. However, he did admit that during Tesla's toughest days, he did request a meeting with Cook to talk about the prospect of Apple acquiring Tesla. But there weren't any conditions involved. Musk went on to say that Cook refused to meet him, and added at the time, Tesla was worth only 6% of its current valuation. Can you imagine what an Apple acquisition might have looked like? After all, Musk isn't exactly the company's biggest fan. During Tesla's second quarter earnings call, he made a point of saying Apple uses more cobalt than Tesla does. Now, some cobalt mined in conflict areas like the Congo has been linked to child labor, and the mining process has been blamed for devastating the environment. It is, however, the key ingredient in lithium-ion batteries that power iPhones and electric cars. Tesla has since announced it's starting to shift towards cobalt-free iron phosphate (LFP) batteries instead. Apple, on the other hand, has said that its long-term goal is not to mine cobalt at all, but rather recycle old iPhones and recover cobalt for reuse. We mentioned earlier that Musk can't stay away from taking a dig at Apple, and he's done it plenty of times. For example, in response to Apple kicking Fortnite off the App Store for violating Apple's policies. The game's developer, Epic Games, had tried to get around Apple's 30% cut of App Store revenue by implementing its own in-app payment system. Epic is now suing Apple for its meaty cut of revenue. Musk showed his support for Epic by tweeting that Apple's App Store fees are a de facto global tax on the internet. He's spoken out what he feels about Apple's anti-competitive behavior. Quote, "Our goal is to support the advent of sustainable energy. It is not to create a walled garden and to use that to bludgeon our competitors, which is sometimes used by some companies." Musk takes an indirect dig at Apple in this quote. Now, it turns out that the two companies could soon be directly competing with one another. Apple's electric car. Apple has reportedly been quietly developing an autonomous electric vehicle since 2014 that is meant to give Tesla a run for its money. Though Musk appeared to write it off early on, telling the German newspaper Handelsblatt in 2015 that, quote, "It's good that Apple is moving and investing in this direction, but cars are very complex compared to phones or smartwatches." Cook, though, doesn't see a self-driving car as anything but technology. He's played coy about what exactly Apple has in the works. Apple is well known for keeping things under tight wraps. It has reportedly held talks with several car companies about teaming up to build an electric car, though it's apparently still searching for a partner. An Apple EV could be miles away because Apple still hasn't found a partner that's willing to partner with them. But what are Musk's thoughts on Apple? Musk doesn't think that Apple has the right to people getting it done, saying that it's hired people Tesla fired. Elon Musk likens Apple to a graveyard filled with those who couldn't cut it at Tesla. But then he appeared to dial back the criticism, clarifying that, quote, "I don't hate Apple. I'm glad they're doing an EV." Whether Apple ends up coming out with a car or not, it's already well known as one of the most transformative companies in history. Apple has created an ecosystem where its devices are designed to work seamlessly with one another, which entices fans to buy them all. But what is Musk doing to prepare himself for big competition in the field? Tesla is reportedly looking to take a page out of Apple's book. Tesla is now looking to expand its own ecosystem by going beyond cars. It already offers solar roofs for homes that generate energy that can be stored in a Tesla Powerwall that can power your house when the grid goes down. The Powerwall can also charge your Tesla, and your car can be covered by Tesla's own insurance, just like AppleCare covers Apple products. The Tesla ecosystem seems to be ever expanding. Musk has said that he's keen to develop a Tesla HVAC system, a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, bringing the tech developed from his cars into homes. The entrepreneur believes that the key to a successful company lies in its ability to rapidly innovate and create heart-stopping products. He thinks that Apple used to wow the world, but not anymore. Here's a fun fact for you as we wrap up today's video. Musk uses an Apple iPhone, which is quite surprising since the digs that he takes as the tech giant. What are your thoughts on Elon Musk having a problem with Apple? Let us know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching.